3. Deliver a baby easy way. This is the so-called normal delivery position for a woman on a hospital bed. It is the worst position for a woman who is trying to deliver a baby. In this position, it is very difficult to coordinate the muscles to push out a baby out of the uterus. This is the best way to deliver a baby. We humans used to deliver babies in this position 2 million years ago, as other mammals are still doing today. There are other ways to help delivery. For example, using a belt or fixed bars while the woman lies down on her back. This information is in my book. Women suffer from severe labor pain compared to other species. In contrast, women who exercise and work out the pelvic region experience much less labor pain. They have an easier recovery post-birth. Some exercises that can help prepare for an easier delivery are swimming, yoga, Pilates, and crawling. Implementing one or several of these practices will ease delivery and lower the frequency of C-sections.